Miracles, no they tire, Jesus. And sense of God, if you're ready like we're ready, let's show you some of the amazing videos of what Jesus did for people like you and me. And when we come back, we'll eat of the flesh of Jesus and drink of his blood. Take a look.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Esther Sheminoma. I'm giving this testimony from Italy. I was looking for the fruit of the womb for over 10 years. I went to different places. I went to hospital, but it was all for nothing. I saw NSPPD on Facebook, 2024. I loved the prayers. Then I went through the testimony. From that day, I started following NSPPD. In 2025, I became more serious. During the UK prayer conference, I connect online. So when Pastor Jerry said, women looking for the fruit of the womb, get on your knees.
I know you will come back with your babies. If you can get on your knees wherever you are and make 3 requests of the Lord and say to the Lord, Lord, these are the 3 things I desire of you that I want to remember. NSPPD UK Prayer Conference 2025 for. Open your mouth and ask the Lord for it. I decree, carry your babies on.
I get on my knees, I pray with Pastor Jerry. After the conference, I never miss each day in the altar. Every morning, I will connect to the morning prayers. I will join, I will pray. Then, in August ending, I did not see my period. I waited till 3 months. I did not see anything. I went to hospital to check. They told me that I'm pregnant. Pastor Jerry, you said, how will you shout? I couldn't shout, I couldn't jump. I was just crying after 10 years because I never believed that I would get pregnant. I know what I went through. I know I tried, but nothing happened. This is my evidence. After 10 years, I call her Miracle. She's a miracle baby. What God cannot do does not exist. Pastor Jerry, God will bless you. May God bless your family for standing up for us, for waking up every morning, come out there every morning to pray for people, to pray for us. God will bless you. God bless your family. May the oil on your head never run dry. Thank you. Errol, we dey pray, it dey show. Thank you.
This testimony is a powerful reminder that delay is never denial in the hands of God. If you are standing in the place of prolonged waiting, whether for healing, a breakthrough, or a promise, let this story anchor your spirit. Time does not weaken God's power, nor do years diminish his promises. If he can break a 10-year cycle of barrenness, he can certainly turn your impossible situation into a masterpiece of his glory. Hold on. Help is on the way. Keep believing and trust in him. Your season of celebration is on the way. If God can do it for this woman for 10 good years, remember, he certainly can do it for you. Like and subscribe to Sunrise Cast.